As winter approaches and holiday lights begin to glow, there is one comforting tradition in the United States that warms both the hands and the heart: the classic American Christmas hot chocolate. Stay with me until the end, because this simple festive drink hides surprising health benefits you might not expect, and some of them could change the way you enjoy it this holiday season. American hot chocolate is traditionally made with warm milk and cocoa, creating a smooth and comforting drink that helps the body relax during cold winter evenings. The warmth alone sends a calming signal to the nervous system, which can help reduce daily stress and promote emotional comfort. Cocoa naturally contains compounds that support the release of feel-good chemicals in the brain, helping improve mood and create a sense of calm and happiness. Milk plays an important role in this holiday drink. It provides calcium and protein, which help support strong bones and muscles. During winter, when sunlight exposure is lower, this nutritional boost can be especially helpful for overall balance and wellness. The cocoa itself contains natural antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress and support healthy circulation over time. Another overlooked benefit of Christmas hot chocolate is its relaxing evening effect. Unlike coffee, it contains only a small amount of natural caffeine, making it a cozy option before bedtime when enjoyed in moderation. Added spices like cinnamon or nutmeg, often used during the holidays, also offer gentle warming properties that support digestion and comfort the throat. Important note: if you're managing diabetes, watching your sugar intake, or have been advised to limit sweets by your doctor, traditional hot chocolate can be high in added sugar. Consider using unsweetened cocoa powder with a sugar substitute, or simply reduce the amount of sweetener you add. You can still enjoy the warmth and comfort of this tradition in a way that works for your health needs. While this drink should be enjoyed as a seasonal treat rather than a daily habit, its emotional and physical benefits make it a meaningful part of Christmas traditions. Hot chocolate is more than a sweet drink. It is a moment of warmth, connection, and comfort during the coldest time of the year. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas to you and your loved ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more cozy holiday content.